AccuRounds has been dedicated to the assembly and manufacture of precision-turned components since 1976. Headquartered in a 45,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility in Avon, Massachusetts, AccuRounds houses a wide range of systems and technologies that includes CNC Swiss screw machining, CNC turning and milling, and precision grinding.
We provide high-end precision mechanical components to a variety of industries: medical, defense, aerospace, semiconductor, oil, gas, and we really thrive on our culture.
That culture is driven by a set of core values encapsulated by the acronym GET IT: gratitude, excellence, team first, initiative, and trust. You can see these values evidenced every day in AccuRounds' facility and team members. AccuRounds stands as proof that American manufacturing is alive, well, and growing. And because the highest quality manufacturing requires the highest level of skill, AccuRounds is helping to attract tomorrow's talent towards these outstanding career opportunities.
We want to be active in our communities. We want to contribute. We want to sponsor robotics teams. We want our team to get out and visit and benchmark and contribute. Have something on top of just doing their daily job that's important to them.
When your product depends on the highest quality the first time, every time, trust AccuRounds with the manufacturing of your precision-turned components. To learn more, visit AccuRounds.com.